Hello everyone, and welcome to another Virginia rainy day. It's just been raining a lot around here, and that's what's happening right now. We wanted to go ahead, well, I really wanted to go ahead and get a video done and say hi to everyone, because it's been a while. It's just been raining so much and so many things going on right now with kids going back to school, and we had other things going on. You know, it never stops, but the garden has been, doing its thing, and there are some beautiful plants right now blooming that I am just so in love with that I know in the future I want to add more. So before it starts coming down and we have to, stop the video. And by the way, it's the weekend, so we've been out here all day long. It's been beautiful, beautiful. We're actually having 60-degree evenings now. So it's been so pretty, and I think we've been between 70s, maybe high 80s. But before I keep going, I just wanted to show you the little baby hibiscus. That's what I'm calling it right now, my little baby hibiscus, because this is its actual first year in our garden. We planted this beauty around last fall, and this right here is French vanilla hibiscus. I'm going to go ahead and tell you a little bit about it. It's in full size maturity. It will be 4 by 4, 4 feet by 4 feet, height and spread. It's not a really big hibiscus. Another name for it is hardy hibiscus, rose mallow, and the flowers are really big as well. I think 7 to 8 inches wide. Right now, it's not putting on such big blooms right now. And, I'm thinking it's because it's it's a younger hibiscus, first year doing its thing. But I am very, very surprised that for such a little thing, it has a lot of buds. So I'm still getting to enjoy very much this hibiscus. So I'm going to talk first about the leaves, because we showed them to you in the beginning when we were, I think, a few weeks ago, we showed a video, Ambrose, behind the camera.
Yep.
And we show you how, the, what is it called? The sawfly loves.
Yep.
They love that. Sawfly, we had been spraying for that, and it actually stopped. But as you can tell, these little guys will hide under the leaves, and they'll just chew away and do away with it. And also with the flowers, the petals, you'll see them and they'll end up bruising the blooms. They also do that to roses. But yeah, we were able to stop them. It produced more of the leaves. The leaves are supposed to get a little more on the dark green side. It depends what area you have it in. The more sun, the more color is going to produce, of course, the plant. This is a part sun area. So sometimes, because it's so gloomy around here with the rain, we don't get that much sun. But it's getting enough to do its thing right now. So let's go ahead and talk about the flowers. So why I got this one? Because of its color. To me, it's so beautiful. This one is supposed to have a, what is it called? A yellow bloom, more of like a soft yellow. And in the cool thing about it is that in cooler climates, it's supposed to show more of a yellow, the yellow tone. It's a creamy yellow. And then in warmer climates, that's when you get what they call the vanilla yellow, or more of the white color. Ours it was showing, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it has that warm vanilla color and a little bit of yellow. It depends, we did see some of them earlier on, the first ones. This right here, bud, has some yellow. And as the temperatures have been cooling down in the evening, that gets me excited, because that means, here in our zone 7B, we're like in between the middle, I think, of the zones, where I kind of think it's a perfect zone. It's not too hot. It can get hot, but you still get, some cooling at night, like the 60s right now that we're hitting at night. That's really good for some plants that need that cooler temperature, so they can do colors, give some color, like this hibiscus. And also inside, if y'all can see in the, I'm going to say the middle, the center of it, it has this beautiful, bright red. The other day, I was thinking of it as a cherry red. It's just bright. It's just such a bright color. So there's a tiny little hibiscus. We do have the other one that just finished doing its first bloom. I thought it was done, and no, it has more that is going to start to produce. This is Perfect Storm. We've had this one a little longer. I'm going to say going on 2nd year maybe.
Yep, 2nd year. And you can see the, like Angie was talking about, the little buds
clustering up more. And I'm going to tell y'all something that I really, really love about the plants. Even when they're done blooming, I think it is so pretty what they can also do after. So of course this one, you know, this one has more of a dark leaf. It doesn't get a lot of sun here, but it's supposed to get like a really dark black purplish color.
Yep.
You know, it has more color than the other one, the leaf spit. What I love so much is after they're done blooming.
Yeah, those just look pretty cool.
Look at that. It reminds me of hellebores.
Yeah.
For some reason, it reminds me of, I love to grow like almost the green pink hellebores, and that's what it reminds me of. So yeah, this one is still not done. It's going to give more of a show. I was kind of bummed out because I love the big blooms that it's giving around this time. It hasn't been a great year for roses for us here.
Definitely not.
To see, you know, one thing that I love to tell everybody, always plant in your garden other plants that are going to do something for every season, for all types of, stages in the season.
Yep.
You know, it got hot. We finally hit 90. So, you know, a lot of things start to calm down and not flower as much. But then you got like hibiscus that they just keep going. Let's go ahead and show you these again. I know we already showed you these, but I just can't stop talking about them.
Before we get going,
I love them.
Before we get going, kids, it is raining. You want to talk about your boots real quick?
Oh, yes. How could I forget? I want to give out a big shout out to Isaiah Boots, because they reached out to us again and they asked us what we wanted to pick. And of course, I was so excited, and I want to show them off for you guys. I went ahead with some cute little booties here. Look at these. Oh, I've been using them. Y'all can tell I've been wearing them for you out in the garden since they sent us probably like a week ago.
Yep.
I've been putting them to good use, and we've been wearing their boots since this past winter that they sent us some, and they've been amazing. And this time around, I went with a little booty.
Yep.
And look at this. I like how cute that is right there. The print. These are gray. And I don't remember the name of them. I'll go ahead and put them. Well, I'll ask Ambrose to put it on the video.
As you can see, this is what we're dealing with sometimes when it starts to rain.
Yes. It never ends.
Just so you guys know, don't forget that if you go to Hysea, you can save 20% on all these boots by using code GARDEN. I did get some shoes myself also, and I'll show a picture on there. They're actually some composite work boots. They're not actually garden boots, but I do use them out here in the garden. You can use them for hiking and stuff like that. But I've been using them because they're composite, almost like a steel toe boot, but not completely steel. But they're absolutely wonderful.
They're
I
like
love
hiking
them.
shoes, right? You can also wear them for hiking.
They're comfortable. Yeah, 5 different colors, same as Angie's boots. They have different colors as well, and they're absolutely beautiful.
Let me show them the back. I know it's really muddy, but come on, guys. Y'all want to know if we're using them or not. So this is so comfortable, and look at that grip.
Yeah.
I have a little slope up there too that I need to, when I water this morning, I don't know if Amber's going to pop up some pictures of that so y'all can see.
Yeah, I'll put them on there.
But I'm up there watering, and sometimes it's very slippery. And I've fallen. So these have helped a lot. So just want to share with y'all. There's always something nice, for the garden that y'all can look up if y'all want, to feel safe and comfortable out in the garden. So once again, thank you, Isaiah, for sending them. We're enjoying them very much, and I love how dry my feet are and how comfortable they are. So let's go ahead and show you the other type of hibiscus that we have here, which is the sugar tip rose of Sharon.
Yep.
So I know we already talked about the Rose of Sharon for a while. What was it? A couple of weeks ago we showed them. But I just wanted you to see that they're still going. And usually these will keep on blooming all the way till fall. They are full of buds still. All these hibiscus flowers that I'm showing you, plants like the other hardy, this is also a hardy hibiscus, but the rose mallow, all of them attract pollinators, especially the hummingbirds that right now are just loving the garden. And, how can you not love hibiscus around this time when maybe if the roses aren't doing their thing, at least you have these types of flowers out in the garden. So I wanted to talk about the hydrangeas, but I don't know. Is it coming down for you too much? Should we leave it for another video, maybe?
Yeah, we'll just take this one real quick. And, it's the rain. Again, guys, the rain always interrupts what we're doing here. But it's okay though, because these plants are getting all the water.
I wanted to show you guys so badly the hydrangeas. There are some that have been, you know, flopping, and then there are some that are doing amazing right now. But we'll go ahead and do that on another video, hopefully tomorrow. Let's end it with showing them a little tiny bit of what is blooming that I'm so happy, which is Brother Gadfield Rose. Look at that.
A beautiful rose right there.
And Brother Gadfield right now doesn't have the huge globular blooms that it usually puts, and they, oh my goodness, what I love about Brother Gadfield is that they open into a peony-like
there's
bloom.
one back there as well.
Yes, and oh, I love it so much. It looks like the roses, after they got fertilized, are trying to do their thing again. We had a couple of roses here and there starting to bloom, but okay, it's starting to come down.
Yeah, so the intentions were to do a mini side garden tour, but I guess this is going to cut short. We'll definitely get back to it, guys, and show you, because there is, as you can see, plenty of stuff happening over here.
Some things are happening,
some things
and
are
some things are not.
Some things are, but we'll do a mini tour in the next video for you guys. Hopefully it's not raining in the next couple of days and we'll get that done. But we did want to put something out for you guys because, like we said, it's been pretty busy and we've had some other stuff going on.
I wanted to say hi. It's been a while. I know Ambrose has kept y'all very happy with his Photo Friday, which he's doing amazing. And their girls are so excited to come out here with him too and see what he, you know, they can pick out for him to photograph for everyone.
Yep.
Okay, so.
Yep, that's pretty much going to do it for the video, guys.
We'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.